Hello everyone, Namaste, Adab, Sasthya. This is Dr. Nishant Gupta, practicing in Raipur and Bhilai, Chhattisgarh from Central India. So we'll restart the series today. And first remedy I want to teach you that is Taxus baccata from the Taxaceae family, and it is a huge sphere of action, especially in the extremities and ear as well. And if you can look around, some of the major delusion it has that his body is completely separate from the head. So head is completely separated from the body. That is the delusion here. Delusion he thinks hindered. Delusion he thinks he is hindered from accomplishing his own work. Very much egoistic type of person. He thinks that he is better than others. So we'll learn more about it. So you can see the hierarchy. It's a Coniferophyta and the family Taxaceae. So all the parts are used. Leaves, fruits and stems, all parts are used. You will look around. What is this Coniferophyta is? They have the vascular system. Means they have xylem and phloem, which is very much pre-developed, and they produce cones that carry on their own seeds. So they produce the cones which carry their own seeds. That's the basic difference between the Coniferophyta. It's a type of gymnosperm as well, you could say. And you can look around. It's from the Taxaceae family. It's a huge sphere of action in nervous system, ear, eyes and extremities. There is anger from not being helped out. He feels he is cheerful on rising in the morning and feels awful physically. There is a delusion that others are in danger. That's the major delusion and fear he has. Taxus baccata has a delusion that his head is separated from the body. He thinks he is hindered from the work. Hinder here means that he is prevented from the process of accomplishment. Another delusion is that he is devil and he is an evil supernatural being. He is an egoistic person. He thinks he is better than other. Delusion, he is wealthy. That is another very important part. He is wealthy. He thinks he has excess of everything. You can look around the totality. Discontented, forget all his ailments and pain. So he always remains contented. Forgets all his ailment and pain. He thinks he is very much forgetful about all his ailment, from which he got the ailment from. Delusion, head is separated from the body. He thinks his head is completely separated from the body. Delusion, work hindered. He thinks he is hindered from work. He is not able to accomplish his work. Whatever he wants to accomplish, he don't able to accomplish that. Delusion, devil he is. He thinks he is a devil. He can do bad to anyone. Delusion, better than others he is. He thinks he is better than others. He thinks he is always being a very, very egoistic person. Most of the primitive plants of the that is, yes, you can see lots of ego being developed. They won't care about anyone else. They will always be care about I self. I should be good and my family should be good. Not even family. I should be good in life. That's the major core. I should be good. I should be wealthy. I should be healthy. I should have anything. I should have money. I should have car. That's all. Indifferent appearance about personal. So they sometimes become very much indifferent about personal appearance, how they would look like. Mistake making, calculating, lots of mistakes they will found. And pities of oneself, very much pitiful about oneself, what is their situation right now. So that's the major core, and this could be the major core of the medicine. Contented, forget all his ailments and pain. His patient becomes very much contented in his own, very much satisfied in his own, that he forget. I don't know how this complaint around. I'm pretty happy in my own life. I don't know how this complaint has arisen. That's the major core of this remedy. Only 6 remedies are there. So you can compare it with others. Okay, and delusion, work hindered at. Only 8 remedies are there. This could be major core of most of the remedies. Anger, help not being. So he's of anger from not being helped out. Cheerfulness, morning, rising after, feeling awful physical. So very much cheerful as soon as he rises in the morning. Very much cheerful and feel awful physically. Delusion, imagine danger of others are in. This is thing where others are in danger. Sensitive, oversensitive to noise, sound, aggravate voices of children. Very, very sensitive about voice, especially children are very much sensitive about it. Floating as if morning on waking up. So vertigo, there is floating. There is some of floating sensation in morning. As if waking up, they will develop something floating type of sensation. Something is floating, especially in the morning on waking up. Head, ball, sensation left extended to left forehead. So there is sensation as if ball is there in the left side of the hand, which is extending to the left forehead. ears pain extending head to the skull to the base. So ear pain which is extending to the skull base, that's the major core. Ears pain is stitching left ear cold ear, stitching pain in the left ear which is aggravated from the cold ear. Pain pressing thighs back part posterior extending, so pain in the posterior part of the thigh which extend to the knees. So it's basically a wonderful remedy for the extremities as well, especially for the rheumatism. Pain sciatica, sciatic nerve, right bending aggravate. So bending aggravate used to aggravate the sciatic pain. That's the major core of this remedy. Okay, so these all our 2 books. You can also have that. Do write down to me at nishan25smilebox@gmail.com and do subscribe to my channel.